So a lot of people complain about how Snapchat consumes a lot of data bundle very fast. So in this video, I'm going to show you a setting that you just need to turn on, and then it's going to reduce how Snapchat consumes your data bundle on your mobile phone. So now let's hop on our Snapchat like this, and let me show you guys how to do this. So hop on your Snapchat and then navigate to your profile. So you can see this is my profile on Snapchat. So just hop on Snapchat and then come here. So if you are here now, let's start. So just move to your settings. Good. So move to your settings and just scroll down, and then let's come up here. 1, 2, 3, and now you see. Let's move to our data saver. Good. So this is on almost every social media platform. Developers that create platforms, they always add something like this to prevent the use of data bundles. So you can see. Now let's just turn it on like this until off, and then when we turn it on, you are going to reduce the Snapchat mobile data usage, and then you need to load content like lenses and the rest and snaps by yourself. So automatically, if you are on data bundle or if you're on the internet and someone uploads a snap, you are just going to download it automatically. So when you tap on it, you just start viewing it. But then when you turn it on, you're not going to do that. So you're going to preview stuff that you want to watch. So this is going to help reduce the amount of data bundle Snapchat is going to consume on your mobile phone. So that's it. So you just turn it on like this and then until off. We are good to go. In this case, the amount of data that's going to be drained by Snapchat is going to be reduced. So that's it for the video. If you are new here, try to give me a like and then subscribe to my channel. Peace.